Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is so freaking bright. The sun is out. Last time we were here it was raining. We're back at TJ Maxx. If you see, can you see? I can't even see because of the sun, but anyways, it's back there. Let's go see what awesome goodies we find in there. The holidays are over, so hopefully they've restocked. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share the video because it helps out the channel, and let's go check out TJ Maxx. Is this a perfume? Oh, I think it is. Bare Minerals Original, and this is $12.99. Pretty cool. You get a foundation primer, powdered foundation, and a brush. Subculture still here. Ooh, look at all these MAC. You have Risk Taker, Fashion Fanatic, Classic Cutie, and Queen Supreme. And these are all, this one's on clearance for $20. How much are they? Let's see. Oh, right here, $19.99. I don't know if you can see, but that's pretty cool. And then they still have this here, NYX, for $9.99. They still have Glam Glow, and this is $34.99. Little sponges. They still have Shade and Light, Kat Von D, and price is still $27.99. No. Oh, look at this, Clinique. And you get a face brush, and this is $59.99. Ooh, Murad. Murad is a really good brand. And this is for acne clearing solution, $19.99. Exclusively at Sephora. But you can find it at TJ. Ooh, BH Cosmetics. These are $7.99 for the lips. Oh. They have Subculture. Oh, look at this cool thing, Wipe Out Brush Cleaning Cleansing Wipes, $2.99. They have a bunch of NYX. Ooh, that one looks like it's seen better days. More MAC. We have a lot of MAC right now. Elf, Stila. What is this? Ooh, Bite Beauty. Oh, they have Cover FX again. Cover FX custom cover drops. G50, G80, and these are $6.99. Kat Von D. Ooh, they have CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Glow. Is this like an eyeshadow or what? I don't think I've ever seen these. Like naughty. Oh, it is a highlighting illuminator. $2.99. What is this? Girls Golden Ivory. And then we have brushes. Ooh, the Kylie palette is here. $17.99. Real Techniques. Real Technique sponges. $12.99. Equal Tools. Ooh, Urban Decay Shadow Primer. And this is $9.99. Urban Decay, $7.99. What is this? Kevin Aquan lip color. ABH. Ooh, what is this? The Girlfriend. And it looks like they have a lot of these risk takers for $20. Like all of them are here. And they have some of the Shade and Light, the glitter ones, for $20 also. They have quite a few models on. They have an Aurora, but it's open for $16. A bunch of open stuff. This is cashmere. Here's a Anastasia lipstick in Corina for $6. Buxom Plump on the Double Lip Plumping Duo. You get a pen or lip pencil, and you get a gloss lip cream, and for $5.99. Wow, this is actually a really good deal. What is this? Clinique. Ooh, this is an ID puffer, and this is $39.99. Ooh, Dolce & Gabbana, light blue, $14.99. That's a really good price. Well guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys liked all the goodies that I was able to find at TJ Maxx. Clearly Mac is unloading and probably gonna come out with new stuff, and so that's why we found a bunch of that at TJ Maxx. I didn't end up buying anything. I only bought avocado oil. I wasn't really in the market for anything. I did want to get the Bare Minerals foundation, but they didn't have it in my shade, so maybe next time. Don't forget to thumbs up, leave a comment, share the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.